Hi everyone, Maria here from Pushwoosh, and today I'll show you how to bring users back to your app with default events, particularly with the Pushwoosh application open event. It starts to work automatically as soon as you implement the Pushwoosh SDK into your mobile app. Let me show you how to get the most out of this event. Let's go to Campaigns. I'm using a trigger-based entry because it works with events. And here, I'm choosing the application open event and click Save. Now, this campaign starts every time a user opens your app. The first best practice is to show users a prompt to enable push notifications. I will use a reachability check to segment users who can be reached via push notifications, but you can segment reachability by other channels too. Now we have two segments, those who have and haven't enabled notifications. In this campaign, I want to do nothing with users who have enabled notifications, so I just click Exit. But for those who haven't, I want to show them an in-app message with a subscription prompt, similar to these examples. And that's all for the first case. Let's build the second one. The second case helps you reach out to inactive users outside your app. Here, I will target the entire user base with the audience-based campaign. To reach out to users who haven't been active, I'll choose the Wait for Trigger option. Next, I need the event that triggers my future message, application open, and I want to wait 7 days before sending my message. You can customize it however you want, and click Save. Now, I have two segments again, those who opened and didn't open my app. The blue segment shows those who did, so I do nothing with them and click Exit. What about users who didn't open? The orange arrow shows me them. Today, I want to send them an email with a promo code or other discount. And this is how you can bring users back to your app automatically and increase user retention with the default application open event. See you in the next tutorial.